Rage summons him forth. Do you hate me? So be it. But in the end, you will find that my pain is still greater than yours. I guess you understand at least some pain.
Mission start.
Universal
If I capture you, I can achieve peace. Nine Tails. Incredible chakra. Show me your power. He's lost his own self.
Universal
Not bad. Especially against me. But I am the one who will win in the end. He's tougher than I expected.
Mission complete.
I didn't expect I would be cornered. The nine-tailed fox power. It's incredible. The odds are against me in this close combat. In that case... Good. Here is fine.
catastrophic planetary devastation!
Good. The Ninetales is captured. He dug himself out of the catastrophic planetary devastation. The Ninetale Fox power is unbelievable.
Why? How did it come to this? It hurts. It hurts.
Naruto. Leave everything to me. Give me your soul. I will rescue you from your pain.
The Ninetales.
No. Entrust everything to me.
I...
He's been captured by the darkness. But don't worry. I will rescue you soon. Hang in there, Naruto. A Hokage cannot be broken so easily. Mission stuck. Ninetales. Is he trying to intervene by using Naruto's chakra? Here I go! I haven't much chakra left. Forgive me, Naruto, but I'll have to get a little rough with you. Here I go!
Come here. I'll rip you to shreds.
Not the best invitation, so... Look at this. My purpose is to get Naruto out of here. Naruto, are you completely controlled by the Ninetales? I have to help Naruto recover his senses first.
You do that for Hokage.
It might hurt a little bit, but be patient, Naruto. It's over.
Be strong. How? There's some leftover chakra. But how?
It's a silly question, Naruto. When it comes to protecting Naruto, I can overcome any difficulties. Flying Swallow! It's over!
You're really something. But will you attack the real Naruto? Go, Naruto.
Just a little more patience. I'll do whatever it takes in order to rescue you. He's strong. He really got strong.
Here I go! Here I go!
I know that you are stronger than any of the Hokage.
Impossible. Spirit control is being released.
Here I go!
Good. I guess I released him from the Nine-Tails' control. You did it, Naruto. You're safe now.
Mission complete.
What am I gonna do? I'm already...
Are you giving up? Are you really my son?
What? The fourth Hokage?
I worked it into the seal spell that I would appear within your psyche if the seal ever unraveled to the point that you sprouted the eighth tail. Truth be told, I'd hoped it would never get this far. But then again, I was looking forward to meeting my son all grown up. So I suppose it all evens out. You've grown up, Naruto.
Naruto. My name. How?
How? I'm the one who named you. You're my son, after all.
My dad. The fourth Hokage is my...
After sealing the Nine-Tails, you've been put through a lot of trouble. Forgive me.
I've wanted to ask you this question. Why would you ever put the Nine-Tails inside me? My life's been pretty rough, having the Nine-Tails in my body.
I sealed the Nine-Tails chakra inside you because I trusted you to master it. I thought its power would be of help to you if you met a formidable enemy.
A formidable enemy?
It's based on something I learned 16 years ago when the Nine-Tails attacked the village. There was a mastermind behind the Nine-Tails who manipulated him, made him assault the village. I believe he will attack our village again.
Is that... Pain?
No, it's not. Pain is simply being used by this person.
So, who is the mastermind? Who is controlling Pain?
Another of the Akatsuki. The masked one.
Masked?
He's no ordinary ninja. You'd need extraordinary strength to have any hope of defeating him.
That's why you put the Nine Tails inside me. But still, that was so selfish.
Yes, I was selfish. But I was sure that you, my son, could handle it.
The Leaf Village is gone.
Yes, I saw that in your mind. I know about Jiraiya-sensei, too.
Pain is incredibly strong. Stronger than any opponent I've met.
Yes.
I'll never forgive him. He ruined everything. Pervy Sage and our village.
Pain probably didn't seek conflict originally.
What?
But hatred isn't created out of nothing. People fight in order to protect what is precious to them. And when they lose it, they are seized by hatred.
So are you saying that Pain lost everything too? And that's why he became what he is now?
I don't know. But no hatred is created without cause. Warriors against hatred. That's what ninja are, after all. Each and every one of us battles that hatred. Jiraiya-sensei bequeathed to you the quest for the solution that will end this hatred.
But I can't not hate Pain. I just can't.
I know.
Lord Hokage, please tell me, what should I do?
You have to find that answer yourself. For even I don't know it.
How am I supposed to do that? When even Pervy Sage, even you, have no clue. I'm not smart. I'm not a great ninja.
I believe in you.
You do? You really think I can...
Well, it is the duty of a parent to believe unconditionally in their child. Now, it's time for me to go. My chakra's fading. I will rebuild the seal for the last time. Now, the rest is up to you. Naruto, I'm counting on you.
Thanks.